trails are climbing? I said, it's a hike. No. Climbing next. Oh, Jesus. Ripping. I wouldn't want it any more for my skill level.
Nah. Me either.
My fit level. My fit level is not high.
Yeah, you fall to your death if you slip right here, about 1 foot over.
Thanks.
Recording.
I'll call somebody to record it. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Shit.
What'd you say?
It's hard to see elevation, but this is level, and this is down. That's about 45 degrees.
I'm gonna die.
That's level. That's 45 degrees straight down. Alright, this is straight out. And that's straight up.
Straight up.
And here we go.
Top of the sheer phase. But
Yeah, but like I said, when you're looking at it from here, it looks sketchy. When you get up there, it's just the same shit we've been doing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Just no trees.
Yeah, it's a sheer vertical climb right here for about 50 feet, 60 feet maybe. You actually have to climb straight up that.
So it goes up. The plateau there. So switch back in. Yeah. I don't know if we can do it. Yeah. Hey, you don't know if you can do it. Come on, dude. You're alright. Is it alright up there, Trey?
Yeah,
It's no different than
just don't look behind you right there.
Yeah, dude, it's no different than this. You're alright.
What's ahead of you?
That's good from here, I believe.
Dude, this is the like the worst. Yeah, this is the worst part of the whole thing. You're alright, Rand. You got this, bro. My watch.
Alright. This is straight up. And this is straight down.
Like, you can't get that. You guys cannot go down into that hole. Joe Schmo thinks it's walking in the woods. Don't get me wrong, they look really cool, the shit that they do, but like, save that shit for the beach where it's on a certain, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't do that shit on the
They
trail.
had
No, we kind of got to walk around it. So we're going this back side where the trail comes out. It's a little more.
fucking, I don't know about this.
This is the walk back. About a mile up the road where we started.
No, it's still great.